In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add travelers on TripAdvisor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so your search reflects the correct number of adults, children, and infants, whether you're looking at hotels, tours, or flights. Start by opening TripAdvisor in your desktop browser. Using a computer makes the traveler options easier to see and adjust, and it also helps when comparing results. Once the homepage loads, head to the main search area. Type in your destination, a specific hotel or tour name if you have one, or select the Flights tab if you're planning air travel. You can keep things broad for now. Destination and rough dates are enough to begin. When you're on a hotel or tour listing, look for the button that says Check Availability. If you're browsing more generally, use the search button after setting your basic criteria. On flights, you'll also see a search button once you've chosen your route and dates. These buttons take you to the part of the site where traveler details really matter. Next, open the Travelers or Guests menu. On hotels, this is often labeled Rooms and Guests, or simply Guests. On tours, it may say Travelers or Participants. On flights, look for Travelers or Passengers. Use the plus and minus controls to set the exact number of adults, children, and infants. Keep in mind that different providers define age groups differently. Children might be considered up to a certain age for hotels, and infants on flights are typically under 2 years old. If you're traveling with children, some hotels will ask for ages to show the correct room types or pricing. That's normal and helps surface accurate options. Before moving on, confirm your dates and details. For hotels, double-check check-in and check-out dates and make sure the number of nights matches your plans. For tours, verify the tour date and start time, since availability can change with group size. For flights, confirm departure and return dates and make sure your traveler counts align with your seating needs. If you see flexible date options, remember prices can shift by a day or two. Finally, continue to booking. Click through, and TripAdvisor will either handle the process directly or send you to a trusted partner site to complete the reservation. You don't have to purchase yet. The key is that your traveler numbers are now set correctly and carried forward. Before you pay, always glance at the summary one more time to ensure the traveler counts, dates, and details are exactly as you intended.